Morning students. Today we will discuss the chapter sorting materials into groups, and the topic we will discuss is the solubility of gases. So in the last video we studied the solubility of solids, solubility of liquids. Now we will study the solubility of gases. So now solubility of gases, like some gases dissolve in water, example carbon dioxide and oxygen. So it is the two there are two examples of gases which is mentioned here, that they are soluble, they are basically they get dissolved in water. If they get dissolved in water, it means they are soluble in water. So aerated drinks, like the cold drinks you drink, they have carbon dioxide dissolved in them. The aerated drink is basically the soft drinks or the drinks which have gas. So soft drinks, they have CO2 or carbon dioxide dissolved in them. How we write carbon dioxide? Like CO2. Oxygen dissolved in water, it's used by aquatic organisms for breathing. So ऑक्सीजन भी आपकी डिजोल्व होती है पानी के अंदर, और वो किसके लिए हेल्प करती है? एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स को सांस लेने में हेल्प करती है. सो इट हेल्प्स द एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स फॉर ब्रीदिंग. सो गैसेज सच एज हाइड्रोजन, helium, nitrogen, they do not dissolve in water. These gases do not dissolve in water. So gases which dissolve in water, it is mentioned here, it is the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Now next is activity. It is given to you. The aim of the activity is that to test the miscibility of different liquids in water. So you will gonna test here. You are given with some liquids and you will check out the miscibility of different liquids in water. So material needed is what here? You need to have the lemon juice, honey, coconut oil, vinegar, some water and 4 beakers, because you are taking the basically 4 liquids like lemon juice, honey, coconut and vinegar. So you will take here the 4 beakers. तो आप क्या लेंगे? 4 beakers लेंगे. Beakers is basically what? Beakers is like a it is like a glass. Fine. So beakers लेंगे आप 4 different beakers, which it is and it is of 100 ml beakers. When you will visit the chemistry lab, we will show you the beaker. Fine. So next method is that, and you will take some water. So what you will do, you will add water to the 4 different beakers. Fine. A method is what? Now label the beakers A, B, C, D and take 100 ml water. So आप क्या करेंगे? आप 4 beakers लेंगे, उन चारों beaker में थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी डाल देंगे. It is mentioned that take 100 ml water. So you will add the 100 ml water to 4 beakers. So what you are going to do? You are going to add. You are going to have the 4 beakers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is A, this is B, this is C and D. And in all of the 4 beakers you will add the 100 ml of water. चारों में आपने 100 ml क्या डाल दिया है? पानी डाल दिया है. Add a spoonful of sample in each beaker. अब आपने क्या करना है? इन चारों सैम्पल्स जो आपको ऊपर मेंशन है, लाइक लेमन जूस, हनी, कोकोनट और विनेगर, इन सबका एक एक चम्मच आपने इसमें डाल देना है. सो ए बीकर में सपोज वी आर पुटिंग लेमन जूस टू द ए बीकर, हनी टू द 2B बीकर, कोकोनट ऑयल C बीकर एंड विनेगर टू द D बीकर. नाउ स्टर ईच मिक्सचर एंड देन वेट फॉर 5 मिनट्स. तो फिर आप इन चारों बीकर्स में जो भी आपने डाला है उसे स्टर करेंगे, हिलाएंगे एंड उसे 5 मिनट के लिए रख देंगे. देन ऑब्जर्व द बीकर्स. 5 मिनट बाद आप बीकर्स को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. रिकॉर्ड योर ऑब्जर्वेशंस इन योर नोटबुक. यू मे यूज अ टेबल फॉर्मेट एज सजेस्टेड बिलो. अब अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस को आप नोटबुक में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और आप इस तरीके से टेबल फॉर्मेट में भी लिख सकते हैं. So like first it is given that lemon juice. What you will observe, the lemon juice gets dissolved in water. जैसे कि आप नींबू पानी पीते हैं तो नींबू जो जूस है, that lemon juice, it get dissolved in water, so it is miscible in water. Fine. Here the tick. Honey. So you also drink honey water. You also take honey in water. So also honey gets dissolved in water. So it is again miscible with water. Now the coconut oil. Oil does not dissolve in water. So it is immiscible with water. Vinegar. Again vinegar. You have vinegar also. The vinegar also gets dissolved in water. You can also check these miscibility of all the 4 mentioned. Basically the samples in home also, because they are easily available at home. Lemon juice is available at home, honey is available at home, coconut oil is available and vinegar is available. So you can also do this activity at your home also. So in vinegar again it gets dissolved in water, so it is miscible in water. Fine. So conclusion is what? Now conclusion is that liquids that are miscible in water. Now write the liquids which are miscible. You will find out it is the lemon juice. Second is the honey. You have find out the honey, and third is the coconut oil. It is miscible in water. Next, sorry, it is not the coconut oil. I'm so sorry. It is the vinegar which is miscible in water, it is the vinegar. And the thing which is immiscible in water, it is the coconut oil. Fine. So there it is, the activity which is mentioned here, very important activity. It will help you in knowing that which liquid is basically miscible in water and which is not, and you can also perform this activity at your home. So this is it. In the next video we will discuss the furthermore chapter.